Anyone who has put together their own PC recently has probably used parts from different manufacturers. That makes sense, after all, there are a ton of components and each manufacturer has their own strengths. This kind of specialization can now be found in almost every industry, and not just for physical products but also for services. It's both a blessing and a curse. A blessing, because it generally promotes quality and innovation. A curse, because it forces companies to bring together different systems and programs, which ties up a lot of resources and often leads to problems. So it's no surprise that more and more companies are looking for holistic solutions to avoid these kinds of complex integration processes. In the last video, we talked about our software and the advantages of the no-code principle. This time we're going to talk about compatibility, another fundamental pillar of attractive software. There are two ways to increase it. Either you try to combine as many solutions as possible within one software to keep the number of interfaces as low as possible, or you design the existing interfaces to be compatible with industry standards. Let's take, for example, a manufacturing facility where circuit boards are produced. Some components are placed on the circuit board by hand, others by a robot. And in the end, a final inspection for solder joints and so on still needs to be carried out. For the manual assembly of the circuit board, a worker guidance system would make sense. For assembly by the robot, perhaps a robot guidance system, and for the final inspection, an AOI system. And for some of these inspections you might even need AI as well. In such a scenario, you would normally need a wide range of application software, and coordinating all of them would be a major challenge. A user-friendly and unified software would save a lot of effort here. That's why, when developing our software, we made sure that someone familiar with one of our products can easily operate all the others as well. The modular principle is the same for operator guidance, AOI, and robot guidance. To ensure communication with production machinery and thus provide maximum compatibility, the software supports common communication protocols, such as Profinet, EtherCAT, or Modbus. Training and especially integrating an AI model into an inspection process can also be very time-consuming. However, our AI building tool is tailored to our inspection software in such a way that a trained AI model can be easily exported and immediately imported into our inspection system. There, the model can be used right away in our program toolbox. You select an AI command, then the AI model you just uploaded, choose which area should be inspected, and the work step is complete. This compatibility with each other and with common applications not only saves resources, but also spares you the stress of having to familiarize yourself with 10 different applications.